Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Today I thought I'd do a get ready with me video so that you can see like the process I go through before I go to work, and I thought I'd switch things up a bit because I'm in a good mood. I thought, yeah, I'll do this because it's Friday and everything, and everyone loves Friday. So yeah, I've obviously just got out the bath and I'm gonna get changed, start getting some food down me to start my day, and yeah, I shall do my makeup shortly. So as you can see, I've made very little progress with getting ready. I literally just shoved a bunch of clothes on and it's like almost 1 o'clock and I haven't even eaten yet, so finally grabbed something to eat. I've just got a cheese sandwich, what a surprise, and a lovely little chocolate chip muffin, and I will do my makeup soon. Right, so this is me ready for work. I am running around right now like a headless chicken because I quickly had to do my makeup and put my uniform on because I was still in my lounge things, and there's like half an hour until I'm supposed to start my shift and my dad's going to give me a lift, so I needed to make sure that I was ready. I'm basically just wearing my MAC Studio Fix foundation right now and just a bit of eyeshadow from my MUA palette. So going for quite, you know, a natural look today, not too over the top, just natural for work really. And I shall see you later on. As it turns out, my dad is now stuck in traffic, which means I've just had to ring a taxi to come and take me to work, whatever, but it means I have to stay home an extra 10 minutes, which is alright because I don't really like rushing. Like, I always waste time like on YouTube and stuff, like watching loads of YouTube stuff or, you know, just lazing around, and then I always end up rushing everywhere and it pisses me off. So it's nice to just have an extra 10 minutes here at home before I go to work, but hopefully I'm not going to be late. If the taxi longs my life out and makes me late, I'm going to be so pissed off. But yeah, so I'm just going to eat and drink and chill before my shift. And then, oh, and by the way, the weather is still very nice in the UK at the moment. It's sunny, it's warm, it's spring-like. This is long overdue. We've had the longest winter ever this year and it's just been ridiculous. But yeah, nice and springy out there. Sunshine, it's Friday. I'm in a good mood, got that Friday feeling. So I cannot wait to just start my weekend. So I'm home from work now. Been a long 4 hours, stressful, but I'm glad it's the weekend and I have just cooked the most amazing lush dinner ever. Pasta and jerk chicken. I had some jerk chicken left over from last week, so I just decided to cook it with pasta, which is an amazing twist on it, by the way. So I am going to scoff it all down and watch EastEnders. So to end my day, to end my evening, now I'm just watching some TV and stuff, and I am going to have this gorgeous bottle of cider. Well, I'm gonna have like a little bit, maybe half, and then save this for tomorrow. But this is literally my favourite cider, so I don't like the other Bournemouth flavours. I love this flavour, it's so addictive. It's the crushed red berries and lime, and it just tastes amazing, and I'm got it all to myself. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you liked it then please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and this is the first video on my new channel, my daily vlog channel, and I shall see you all soon. Bye.